Have you been wondering what the component input is on your LG TV? Well, today I'm going to show you what component is and how you can connect it and some of its advantages. Let me take you to the back of the TV for a few seconds. At the back of the TV, you will also notice this component in/AV2in input over here. So I'm going to show you how to use the component, but first you have to check your input device supports component input. Let me show you two devices so that you can know which device supports component input. I have a decoder over here as well as a DVD player. So to check if your devices are component compatible, just need to check at the ports at the back below. I mean behind. So first of all, let's check the decoder. The decoder has composite video output as well as SCART video output, but it doesn't have component. You can't even read anything written like component over here. So this decoder does not support component. But if you check the DVD player over here, we'll see that it has the component /progressive scan output over here. So this DVD supports component output, which is compatible to the component input of our TV over there. So you will notice that component has a color scheme. We have green, blue and red over here. Same goes for the TV. We have green, one side is green, then the blue, then the red. This one is green and yellow because this port is also used for the composite video input or AV2 of the TV. And so this is how you connect the composite video input. So normally we usually connect the yellow cable to the yellow port for the video and the red and white cables respectively for the audio. And at the back of the TV, the yellow usually goes corresponding to the yellow like that, and the white and red are usually used for the audio. So how do you connect component? Well, component is connected a little bit differently. So let me remove that and these cables, and we take the decoder out of the way and use the DVD player. So you just need to match the color schemes, green with green. So I'm going to connect my yellow over there to the green and the green one port over here on the DVD. Now I just need to match the blue and blue. I'm going to use the white cable for that. Just need to match blue using the white cable, and the red cable I'm just going to connect it to the red cable like that. So what about the audio? Well, the audio you have to use another set of cables. I have another cable over here that I'm going to connect red to red and white to white for the audio, and the same goes at the back of the TV like that. So in total, when you want to use component, you use a total of 5 cables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how you connect the component. So how this works is that the green port over here usually carries what is known as the luma signal, and this is also the brightness. So basically the green port carries the brightness, and the other two carry what is known as the chroma signal, which is basically the color. So one for brightness and 2 cables for color. And so with this setup, you can find that you can actually pass a HD signal using analog cables to your TV, but that depends on your decoder or DVD player. So if your DVD player supports HD output, you'll actually get a HD signal on your TV. So let me turn this around and check if my DVD player over here is HD capable. So this is the component input of this DVD player. You can see it's active and it has five cables shown above. So let me show you also another thing. If you connected these cables one at a time, let me just remove all of them. If you connected the yellow cable for the green, that's the luma signal. You can see that's only the brightness. It will only show you a black and white picture. So as you add the other cables, you'll get color. That has brought some blue color and some red color, and everything is fine. My DVD player over here does not support HD signals. I can only get 576p. I only got the progressive scan from this DVD player, because normally when in AV mode it's usually at 576i. So that's the only difference I got. But some older models of DVD players, especially from LG, usually supported up to 720p.